Hi, today I want to tell you about a tool that I love and use often, and that's Canva. Canva is a drag and drop low learning curve option for graphic design. It offers pre-made templates for almost any design project you can imagine, and if you can't find the type of document or item that you want to design, you can add your own project dimensions to make a custom size. As a spoiler, I use Canva to create our CIP newsletter, CIP signage and sign-up sheets, email headers, and video intros for videos like this one. I love that Canva is easy to use and you can pretty easily tailor your designs to match your desired color scheme. I often use the Kenyan Marketing Guide colors to make sure I'm staying close to our Kenyan college brand, although don't tell them I used pink and red throughout this video series. I also love that Canva is browser-based and I don't have to download a program on my computer to use it. Another perk of Canva is that the Office of Communications team uses Canva Pro to give tools to non-designers on campus to create simple, on-brand publications and graphics. You can contact Adam Gilson in the Office of Communications for more information about how to join that team. There are a few drawbacks of Canva, one of which is that it's a freemium program. This means that there are free features and pay-for features within Canva that can be a point of frustration from time to time. I find that there are plenty of free features for myself, so I don't feel limited in what I can do with it, but it can be frustrating to find elements that you want to use and you can't use without paying for. Another drawback that's becoming a little less of a drawback is accessibility features. Previously, there have been very few ways to make accessible documents or learning objects in Canva, but they have added alternative text for visual elements, translation options for over 100 languages, embedded heading tags on documents that are exported as PDFs, and screen reader language settings. I'll link below to a webpage that details Canva's accessibility features, including features for creators using the editing platform, like light and dark mode. To get started with Canva, you'll sign up and sign in. I always sign in with Google using my Kenyan credentials, so it's one less password for me to remember. Next, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can choose from a variety of templates or click More to see even more options like infographics, collages, or graphs. You can also search for a specific kind of design using the search bar. I'll just choose a presentation template to show you a few basic functions. When you open the template, you'll see a bunch of slide layout options. You can either choose from these or opt for another template altogether if you don't like them. When you're ready to use a slide, you can just drag it down to this work area to get started. Something I really like about Canva is if you click duration, it'll add animations over the slides. I actually changed the color of this very template, add animations, and download these animated slides for our Tech Tuesday video intros and outros. To change the color, you'll simply click on the color box in the toolbar. It'll give you various document colors, or you can type in your own color. I'm going to use Old Kenyan Purple and Old Kenyan Purple Light from our Kenyan brand guide. It even gives me the option to change all of the same colored items to the new color at the same time, which is awesome and incredibly handy. If I wanted to add different elements like images or graphics, I'd grab those here. I can add text or upload my own media elements as well. There are even table and graph options. Anything you want to add to your design, you'll just drag and drop over. If you need to swap out one image for another, that's very easy as well. I'll add another slide here so I can show you. Here's one that has images. Now I'll just go to the images or my uploads and choose a photo. I'll drag it and hover over where I want to swap it into, and then I let go. It should fit pretty nicely, but if you have to recenter it or crop it in any way, you can double click it, click Edit Photo, and click Crop. That'll allow you to crop the photo and move it around so that it fits exactly how you want it to. There are plenty more things that Canva can do, but I'll leave you with this for now. Please let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to have some help getting started with Canva.